Hi guys, in my last video we learned about styles and their uses in HTML document. So now we are going to create a website layout using with div element. Div means division. It will divide HTML body. I already said you about external style sheet in my previous video. So now we are going to create a website layout. So please consider guys, here website is a project. So first of all we should have a project structure. So let's see how it is. So now here I am creating a folder. So guys, here I am creating a folder that is as that's I am naming for that folder as a project. Okay, this is my main folder. So inside we need first of all JavaScript folder. JS means JavaScript. So next CSS. So next we can name it assets or images, both are same. So I am naming it as assets. Next, after that pages. Okay, fine. I'm explaining you clearly which folder is related to which one. In assets we can place images, icons related things. In CSS we can place here external style sheets. In JS folder also we need to place JavaScript files. As of now we no need that one, but in structure it is there. That's why I created JS folder also. In pages we have multiple HTML pages, right, in our project. So for that, in pages folder we need to place our HTML pages. Okay, fine. So now let's go. So now I am opening project in Visual Studio. Open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here I am creating a document that is my index.html. So for that, doc type HTML. Just I am saving this document as here. This is a root level. Okay, so here outside of pages we need to save index.html. Remaining remaining HTML pages should place in pages folder. Okay, I will give you clarity while going this project. Okay, so now I am saving index.html. HTML, fine. So I am going to create HTML structure. Next, head, right, body. So this is our HTML programming structure. So first thing we have to give the title, right, for our website. So title tag, sample app I'm giving. Okay, yeah, sample app, it's came, right, sample app. Here it is displaying. Okay, title will execute here. Okay, tab name. Okay, fine. So now we need a CSS file. Okay, so for that I'm creating a new document and I'm saving it as app.css with CSS extension. Okay, app.css in CSS folder. Okay, I segregated all things. CSS file should be in CSS folder, JS file should be in JS folder, images should be in images folder. Okay, pages should be in pages folder. Pages means other HTML pages. Okay, so saved. Okay, so now I'm linking this app.cs in my HTML page. Okay, so how we have a tag that is called link. Okay, fine. Relationship equal to, what is this relationship? Style sheet, right? So next href in css folder. Okay, it is in css folder, right? css slash app dot css. So like this we have to give, because why we given like this? Now our current location is in index.html, right? So app.css folder in css folder, right? So for that already we are here. So now we need to open css folder, right? Then css slash, then this folder will open like this, css slash. So now we are in css folder, then file name app.css. That's it. Okay, are you clear guys? Fine. Okay, now we need to recheck once this style sheet as this style sheet is linked or not. So for that purpose I'm taking body selector. I'm assigning some background to my HTML body. So background is blue color. So if it is linked perfectly with my HTML page, then my HTML body will blue color. Okay, fine, right? So it's linked. So external style sheet is imported successfully in my HTML page. So guys, so as of now we learned about project structure and we linked external style sheet, right? So from my next video we can start building our own website. Okay, keep watching for my next videos. Please subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. Thank you guys.